I know you see the material, sis. This is the assignment. When I first got the unit, I wanted to go in and co-wash it. This is really important so that you can see the true curl pattern and definition. I love plucking my units when they are slightly damp. They have a bit of moisture. I just feel like if you're someone who is, easing your way into plucking, that's one of the best steps that I can give, because the hair, the shed hair, or the hair that you remove, it just sort of glides a lot easier so you can see more of what you're doing, and it's a lot neater, if I can be honest. This unit has transparent lace, HD lace. So what does that mean? It's super thin, but it's lighter in color. So I encourage you to take a pressed powder, a foundation, or even some sort of tint. You wanna go in and make sure that the lace matches your natural skin complexion, because it's super important. It will be a halo around your hairline. So for like the third attempt on installing this unit, I knew that I wanted to use my favorite products, the Bedhead Hardhead Spray, as well as the Invincible Styling Gel. These are my holy grails. And I wanted to be meticulous about using 3 layers of the Hardhead Spray. Sis, you want your lace to stick, you want it to stay in place, you want it to give that melted look. This is one of the products that I stand by. And the reason why we want to layer it is because you want to make sure that it truly adheres to your skin's surface. In between spraying your layers, just hit it with the cool setting ever so lightly. I actually wore this unit when I was in Harlem with Is That Your Hair, aka Gladys. She is such a beautiful soul. Like, if anybody's watching this and you want to like connect, you want to build stronger community, like don't be afraid to like seek somebody out, because sis, that's what she did with me. She was nervous. I'm like, girl, it's just me. And plus I love her vibe just naturally. We always message each other. But yes, when I wore this unit and we went out, not to give too much tea, but this was a look. This 8-inch PIXIE was super perfect for that hot ass night, because girl, it was hot. To get back on track, I wanted to use the Invincible Styling Gel around the ear tabs because those are super tricky. Make sure that you're trimming them properly and so that they can clear your ear or it won't lay flat. Using the makeup spatula will allow you to create a very thin layer of the Invincible Styling Gel, and then you want to also layer on the Hardhead Spray. You don't have to do 2 layers. 1 is just fine for the spray because, again, we added the gel. Do your swoops. I'm the queen of adult swoops. I wanted them to be a little bit more exaggerated because I wanted to give you all the vibes that I had. Like, I knew I didn't want a part with this unit. I mean, for the 3rd time, I was like, let's try something different. So I wanted to do nice swoops because I knew I wanted the hair away from my face, like how I envisioned it beautifully. So again, my adult swoops are a little bit more exaggerated, but we're still not Shakespearean-ties. It works. But we also want to go in with the All C, the Tangling Milk. This is like a curl milk. It enhances the curls, but you need that Felicia Leatherwood brush. This is such a great combo for curly units because you are going to get the absolute best definition, but be careful. The curl pattern that you get after you co-wash is going to be different after you style if you use my tips. So when you apply the product, give it some time, but then get your blow dryer on the cool setting. If you have a diffuser, you already know what I'm doing. But I positioned my blow dryer below my hair, below the unit, and I wanted to blow upward, right? Because when I'm blowing the hair upward and scrunching, I'm tightening the curls, right? So they're getting closer together, and you kind of add more volume and you shape your unit. But I love this unit. It's a look. Y'all could tell me how I did if I did my thing. I think I did a damn good job. So make sure you check out Ririhair. Again, I'll have all of the details listed in the description box. But if you are looking for something that is perfect for the spring and summer, and you can even ease into fall, this is going to be perfect. It's off the shoulders. It's like, it's just a great unit, a great look. You're going to make a statement. You're going to get noticed, honey. Wearing this, it's so effortless, low maintenance. It is a 13 by 4.5 lace frontal, and I did get a bit of shedding, and this medium cap is a little bit tight, but still, this is a really good unit. I love it for its ease, and I think it's great for beginners, even if you want to do the glueless method. So again, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Get used to my face. You're going to be seeing more, I promise you. And I hope I see you in the next one.